Co-producer of the horror thriller film Pizza, Bijoy Nambiar, says that the film is not a complete remake of the 2012 Tamil film. He further talked about casting Akshay Oberoi and Parvati Manakuttan. Watch Bijoy talk about the film, casting the actors and the music of Pizza in an interview here.
See, that's something that I really want to address because we did not want to do a frame by frame remake, and I would have never signed up for it. And Bijoy, first of all, wouldn't have taken the project if that was the case. That's not the school of thought that we are all from. We wanted to make a good film. And
मैंने जैसे शुरुआत में कहा कि हमने सिर्फ एसेंस में आइडिया में ओरिजिनल से इंस्पायर होकर स्क्रिप्ट लिखा, लेकिन be it the shot taking, be it the way the script was approached, be it the entire thing that was put together, is completely different from the original. It's a different adaptation. It's an adaptation.
And that was a conscious choice that we made. That we do not want to do a frame by frame remake of that film. That was never the idea. So the idea is to make the experience better. So how do we do it? That was the first thing he asked me actually. The idea is to make a better film. So think in those terms.
We knew that this film had to be done with newcomers. We've always wanted to work with newcomers for this film. Akshay is someone that, the actor Akshay, is someone that we had worked together on our TV show, MTV Rush. He's an actor I really liked working with. In fact, even for David, I had approached him for a certain role, which he didn't finally end up doing. So when this film came about, he was one of the first choices that we had. That, we wanted to kind of approach for the film. And regarding Parvati, I think he tested more than some 50-60 girls before we actually zeroed in on Parvati. But again, her audition, the way she carried off the audition, the look and everything was perfect for what we were looking for. And of course, the rest of the casting decision was all taken by him. तो आपको इनसे पूछना चाहिए मैंने क्यों चूज किया.
So Parvati, the idea was that in the test she actually blew all our minds. She was fantastic, and there's also one angle in the film where she has that sinister, almost like a split personality in the film. So that I kind of sensed the way she looks and the way she behaves. You always keep thinking that she has another side to her. So that was one of the main reasons that I went with her.
Don't say anything bad. She's standing right there.
No, I know. All good things. So it's as simple as we've tried breaking that whole conventional scares and the whole system of sleaze, sex and nudity that goes with horror. We did not want that. So it was a very conscious choice to make a true film, not with any added gimmicks. So that's what we've tried to do. So hopefully it will turn out to be one of the better horror films that you've seen.
And what sets it apart is that it has all the conventional, it has the trappings of horror film. Like he was saying that we're not indulge in any kind of sex, nudity or anything. I think it's a very clean horror film. But having said that, it's got a nice tonal shift and it becomes, without giving much away, it also has a suspense thriller element to it. I think that really sets it apart. That really puts it, makes it different from all the regular horror films that you see. That is also a suspense thriller.
रियल लाइफ में कितना बिलीव करते हैं आप दोनों हॉरर पे, या कभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ या कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए?
जितना आप बिलीव करते हैं उतना भी हम भी बिलीव करते हैं. तो मैं भी नहीं करता हूँ.
I believe in spirits. I believe in spirits, but there's nothing mad that happened with us on set. There was just one incident that happened, which I do not know if it's spirits, so I don't know what, but there was one huge bulb that almost missed my head. And on I think the first or second day of shoot, I forgot, but that happened. So I don't know if that was happened because it's a scary film. But
वो एक भूत प्रेत का आशीर्वाद था कि
yeah, exactly.
म्यूजिक के बारे में बताइए.
So music, we have 4 different composers composing music for the film, and each one has brought in their signature flavor into the film. And the idea of choosing that also was that because these guys are very good in what they do. That particular genre of music that we got out of them, they're fantastic with that. And all this contributes to the whole space of the film, the way it is. So we have 4 songs. One is Tum Chal Diye. We have an acoustic version, which is just a guitar and voice rendition of song. And then we have Haddi Wali Mundi, which is a heavy metal rock number. Yeah, so see, you don't know where that came from.
Ashirwad.
So and then we have Gimme Pizza, which is our title track, which is also a drum and bass rock metal track. And then we have one jazz track called Terja, which was actually Bijoy's signature tune, which he really wanted. So these are the 5 tracks that are there.
Bollywood Country Report.